Seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things shall be given to you as well.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sky.Onjahnae. If you are new here, and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. I just scratched my face. Ouch. Alright. Moving on. This is day 2. This is 4. This is day 2 of my 12 Days of Christmas. And we're doing this gorgeous updo that I know y'all been seeing everywhere. Okay, like this is all over my social media. I've had clients get this hairstyle right here. It really has the girls in the chokehold, including myself, because it is just so freaking cute. Like the whole messy updo, you dig? It's like, it's a vibe. It's classy. It's feminine. I love it. So let's do it, shall we?
Okay, we're starting with my hair down. It's not clean. That's why I look a little oily. So, but when you do this, make sure you do it on a freshly clean hair. Okay, homegirl? I was so tired. I didn't even feel like, oh, why is my voice getting raspy? Y'all hear that? Ooh, anyway. But, you know, I didn't feel like shampooing my hair because it wasn't shampoo day. So this video still needed to be recorded. So here we are. But anyway, yeah, I'm just sectioning out that first piece in the front for that bang area. Because as you saw from the beginning, I had a side part. I'm not too much a fan of the middle part one. So I did a side part. It's just something so elegant about a side part. Now, because this is a messy look or whatever, it does not have to be perfect. Nothing about this style is perfect, and nothing about this style is difficult to do. So yeah, moving on. Use my Got To Be spray. Y'all know I don't like using too much product on my hair because it weighs it down, but I need these curls to hold, okay? Because my soft curling iron, the big one I use, is not it for this look. So we're going to use this one, which is I don't know the size. It's the medium barrel, not the smallest one. And I can't even, yeah. But it's a curling iron. Whatever curling iron you have as a medium size curling iron, do that. And there is no, like I said, there's no right or wrong way to do this style. So I'm just going to curl it up. You've seen me curl my hair a million times on this channel. And if you have not, that means you should be watching more videos after this one, homegirl. Like, come on now. But yeah, so you can either curl it like I'm doing it now, or you can pull it up into the ponytail and curl it. It doesn't really matter. It just depends on, you. So yeah, just watch me curl my hair, and I will catch up to you when we go to the next step. Yes, now we have our big, they're not big, but we have our luscious bouncing curls. Y'all know I love curls. You will rarely ever see me with straight hair. And if it's on the straighter side, it's still going to have a bump, a flip, or something in it because I need that volume. But anyway, you do want to pull your hair up into a ponytail. And remember, this is a loose, soft, carefree hairstyle. So you don't need to make that ponytail super tight. It should be, like I said, loose. That's the point of this hairstyle. Loose, carefree, just free falling, if that makes sense. But yeah, a nice loose ponytail at the top. You make sure you put it at the top of your head because you want that bun to sit up high. And if you put it down back too low, it won't give that same effects as it would, with it sitting right on top. So put it closer to where your bang areas is going to be because you want that bun to sit right directly behind that. You you know how it looks. You know how it looks. So just do that, and then pull out them hairs that you want to be hanging wild and free, because, like I said, loose, free falling hair, free flowing hair. Now this, like I said, again, there is no right or wrong way to do this hairstyle because it is a messy bun. So I just like, since it's already curled, I take it and just twist it and put the ponytail holder on it and just pin it where I see fit. This part is really completely up to you, because like I said, you cannot mess this hairstyle up because it's supposed to look messy in the first place. So even if it's not perfect, it's still gonna look good, girl. Like, I promise you, I did this on several clients and I did it different every single time, and every time it came out bomb. Okay, but I'm just taking out those little pieces that I want to be messy, hence the messy buns, because you have those curled pieces hanging out. And so I want to take hairpins, not bobby pins, hairpins, and you see those pieces that's like open right there. I'm just going to pin it. You're going to really use pins just to place the hair where you want it in a mess, though. You don't want it to be too nice, even, and, put together, because it's a messy hairstyle. So, just place those pins where you see fit, but still like keep the vision of the hair. And don't worry, that curl is a little like flopping or whatever. We just gonna curl it. I'm gonna curl the other ones as well once I finish, because those curls did lose a little curl from me putting hair in a ponytail and all that good jazz. But that's okay. You just gonna recurl that and keep it pushing. So yeah, I just pin where I see fit until I like it. And yeah, this is a completely customizable hairstyle, which honestly, all hairstyles are customizable to you because you're doing them or you're getting them done based off your liking. But this hairstyle specifically, I almost said specifically. I'm just playing, y'all. I know how to speak proper English. But anyway, specifically this hairstyle is completely customizable because it's messy, and there are so many ways to do it, and there are so many ways to, make it look good. Different variations. So like me, I'm doing the side. I've seen the middle part. I've seen people with no bayang at all, just the updo. Either way, I love this hairstyle, and yeah, I'm just trying to talk over this pinning because most of the hair is curling and pinning. Nothing else. The rest of the stuff, pulling up into the ponytail and adjusting those little curls, that's nothing. But yeah, anyway, you want to curl those little pieces that you left out. I would use a smaller curling iron if you wanted to. Wow, yeah, my flat iron was not even on, because what are you doing? Like, it was just plugged up and not on. How I do that? Yeah, so I have to wait for that to, heat up. Okay, y'all, we back in business. My flat irons have heated up. So I'm going through and just recurling all of those curls that I pulled out for the messy part of this messy bun. And then I'm going to curl those pieces, do my edges, all of the good things. You can also curl your bang with the flat iron. You could have curled your whole head with the flat irons if you know how to curl with flat irons. But if you don't, I also have a video. I also have a video on that as well. You can check out after this one. But yeah, no, just get all those curls in so it can look nice and elegant and beautiful and all the pretty things that this hairstyle is. Yeah. But while I have it, wow, y'all know, I don't know what it is about voiceovers, but they literally trip me up. Anyway, I was going to say, while I have you here, homegirl, how are you enjoying 12 Days of Christmas? I know it's only day 2, second video, but how are you enjoying it? What was your opinion on the Get Glam with me? Matter of fact, I'm sure you commented. I'll go check your comment. But let me know down in the comments how you're enjoying it. What else you want to see from me? I have a ton of things planned for you all going into the new year. I'm so excited. So for those of you who have really been supporting and rocking with me, I just appreciate it so much. Growing this platform has not been easy. It is not easy. And I just appreciate the true support that I have and all the people who are rooting for me and just, actually enjoy and watch my content. I appreciate you so much. You know, isn't this hairstyle coming out cute? This hairstyle makes me feel and look rich. It just gives I'm going to the ball. I'm going to the gala or gala. How do you say it? Do you say gala? Or do you say gala? Is it gala or is it? We're not even about to get into that. But yeah, this hairstyle, like I said, it gives rich aunt no kids. Okay. But now it is on to my favorite part, which is curling this bang area. That I think that's what brings the look together for me. This curled front bang side part at that, it brings the look together because one side parts automatically just look more feminine to me. For what I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. What do you think? How do you feel about side parts versus the middle part? But a middle part is more, grown and sexy, and a side part is more, elegant, soft, feminine. I don't know. That's just my opinion. Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, we curling this bang, making it cute. It was not trying to do right by me, so I have to go back in and recurl it as you see. But we put together, okay? We definitely put it together, and you saw that from the beginning. And don't worry, you're gonna get all angles of this hairstyle. I'm not just gonna show you the front. You're gonna see the back, even though the back pretty much looks like the front because it's a bun, except for it just doesn't have the side bang. But you get to see my little cute curlies hanging from the bun and my cute curly cues in the back of my head. If this bang ever wants to curl correctly, you can see that. I have that plan to show you actually right now. Ooh, you look good, girl. You look good, okay? The hair is hairing. I feel rich, like the rich auntie, no kids. But thank you all so much. That is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed 12 Days of Christmas Day 2. And if you have not seen Day 1, homegirl, go watch Day 1. And I will see you tomorrow for Day 3 of my 12 Days of Christmas. Bye.